Welcome back, folks. Deutschland Inn, inside my Russian bear tent. So, a few issues that I've noticed so far. One of them is that there's just too much snow. I got the bushes right here, and then this is all snow down here, so that's supposed to be my sleeping area right there. So, also got snow down here. Got rid of most of the snow there. Yeah, but on the plus side, I figured out I got a little welcome mat, an old pizza box that I can put my boots on. That way I can wear these little slip-on shoes. So, yeah. Another main problem I've got is that this is at an angle. So, the stove's supposed to go straight up. So I'm not sure if I can get like an L pipe or something like that. Make a jury rig something, I'm not sure. So it's going to take some finagling. So I might have to save that project for another day. Always one step forward, two steps back, right? So I'm not going to be able to test this out tonight. It'll have to be for another day, I guess. Once I figure out how to get that, because it's already 3:30ish, and I got about maybe an hour of sunlight left, although there's absolutely no sun out. Hope you can see up there. But it is quite cozy in here, so there's that.